Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an actual reminder. Open the Reminders app and choose a list or tap plus to make one. Type a clear title, then add details and notes so you remember the why. Once done, attach a date and time or a location trigger. That lets the system notify you when it matters. You can also use Siri to speed this up. Say, "Remind me tomorrow at 9 a.m. Make sure iCloud is on to sync across devices. Next, refine how your reminder behaves and why it stands out. You add priority, tags, and notes to make filtering fast. Tags create smart lists automatically. Then add subtasks for steps, attach photos or documents, and set repeat rules for daily or weekly routines. You can link events to calendar or enable location-based triggers when arriving or leaving a place. Once configured, test a repeat or finally use the reminder. Swipe to mark complete or tap to snooze when you need more time. Share a list with collaborators for joint tasks and set permissions so others can edit. If a reminder doesn't alert, check 3 usual causes: focus mode blocking notifications, notification settings for reminders, and iCloud sync status. If syncing is off, enable iCloud for reminders and sign into the same Apple ID. Restart the app after changes to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.